multiply monomials. Now the first question you may ask is, what is a monomial? Instead of telling you the definition, let me just tell you that a monomial is a variable in which there is no plus or minus. So here we have two monomials, 5t to the power 6 and 7t to the power 3. And in each of these monomials there is no plus or minus. Now we are required to multiply these monomials. In a monomial there are three things. First, there is a sign, plus or minus. Second, there may be a constant which is also called coefficient. So in the first monomial, the sign is plus, the constant is 5, and then the third part is a variable which is t to the power 6. In the second monomial, also there is a sign which is plus, constant which is 7, and variable which is t to the power 3. So when we have to multiply monomials, we have to multiply all these three components. So first we multiply the sign. Here the sign is plus into plus, so which is plus. There is no need to write plus. Then the second component is constants, which is 5 into 7, so that is 35. And the third component is the variable, which is t to the power 6 into t to the power 3. When the base is the same, the indices are added. So when the t to the power 6 is multiplied by t to the power 3, it will become t to the power 6 plus 3 or t to the power 9. We'll check. Here the first monomial has sign plus, second monomial has sign minus, and when we multiply plus and minus we get minus. So that is the first component. Second component is constant, 8 and 8, so 8 into 8 is 64. And third component is d to the power 4 into d to the power 4, that is d to the power 8. The first component is sign, which is minus into plus, which multiplied minus into plus becomes minus. Second component is constant. In the first monomial, there is no constant, which means it is 1. And in the second monomial, it is 7. So 1 into 7 is 7. And the third component is b to the power 7 into b to the power 4, which is b to the power 11. Here the sign is minus into minus, which is plus. No need to write plus. Then constant, 1 into 1 is 1. Again no need to write 1. Then the third component is t to the power 7 into t to the power 5, which is t to the power 12. 7 plus 5, 12. Monomials multiplication is going to be the basic concept in all multiplication.